This is English Glow Up, where your English gets better every day.
Hello. Welcome back to English Glow Up. If you're new here, this is a safe place to learn English. Take a deep breath with me. Inhale, exhale. You don't need perfect English. You don't need to speak fast. You don't need to be confident. In this video, I will speak slowly. You will listen. And you will repeat with me. It's okay if you make mistakes. It's okay if you feel shy. You're learning. And that is enough. Now, let's start. Listen and repeat. Today I am calm. Today I am calm. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am learning step by step. I am learning step by step. It is okay to be slow. It is okay to be slow. I don't need to rush. I don't need to rush. I am doing my best. I am doing my best. Mistakes help me learn. Mistakes help me learn. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. Now, let's practice simple English you can use every day. Repeat with me. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. My name is underscore underscore underscore. My name is underscore underscore underscore. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you speak slowly, please? Can you speak slowly, please? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, listen carefully. I am not stupid. I am learning a new language. Many people are afraid to speak English. I am not alone. Every day, I improve a little. Every day, I improve a little. I allow myself to learn slowly. I allow myself to learn slowly. One day, I will speak English with confidence. One day, I will speak English with confidence. You did a great job today. Take another deep breath. If this video helped you, come back again. We will practice together. Don't forget to subscribe to English Glow Up for more calm, slow, and easy English practice. You are learning. You are growing. And you are doing enough. See you next time.